What's up, guys? It has been officially 7 months. How does it feel to be back with the boys?
Watch this get deleted.
What's up, boys? We got Habib the Happy Camper.
Is there
We got me, and we got Aiden, Berry Boy. We got Jericho the Ghost Daddy. All right, boys. Today we're gonna be playing in the Purge. It's kind of scary, you know. And we're gonna be sweating on these zombs or whatever they are. So yeah, it's a special event here. Also, second video back on the channel, and we got Berry Boy back.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Okay, go until you find your rebellion leader. Go, 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 go.
Go, boy.
Follow me if you want to live. Let's go.
Yo, this is dope.
All right, everybody grab a gun. Grab a gun. Hey, hit the mag. Make sure the mag's in there. Put it on semi-auto. All right, everybody ready?
No. Yo, can I have a fist bump first? Epic.
All right, get ready. Get ready. Hey, we gotta stay alive by staying moving, okay? Stay moving, but don't move too fast to get away from the group.
Yo, this is kind of
Ready?
scary, you know?
All right. Go, go. Go, get ready. Come on, move, 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 move.
Copy that. I see enemies up ahead. Dead ahead.
All right, relax, relax. Come on, get in. Get in. All right. Let's find our way in here.
It's not that scary, actually. It was dope, but up until this moment.
We're waiting a lot.
All right, come here. All right, we gotta come out here. Figure out how to get out. Here's the key code. Here's the key code. Shine your light on the wall. Shine your light on the wall. Look for a code. All right. Unlock the door.
Well, I have a feeling as soon as we breach, it's gonna be rough. I hear HBA.
All right, be ready. Guns up.
Hey, I'm gonna push through this window. Head. Oh. Oh.
All right, let's be ready. Be ready. Be ready.
Hey, they got guys waiting. I peeked.
Who needs ammo? Give me your bag. Give me your bag.
I need ammo. I need ammo. I got hit in the leg.
Behind us with a flashlight hit me in the ankle.
Jericho, I got hit where my bruise was. Jericho, I think these are 30 round because I ran out fast.
I ran out fast too.
I think they're 30 round.
Ready. Your eyes up. Eyes up. Make sure nobody comes in.
I can see.
Let's go. Let's go.
They got guys. Dad, is that you? Dad, is that you?